Hello everyone, welcome back. The election results of French Parliament are here, and let me tell you, there is quite the plot twist. As the earlier surveys after the European Parliament elections have widely reported that the far-right groups under Marine Le Pen's leadership will clean sweep the parliamentary elections, and Macron's party will be resorted to a disastrous defeat. However, the first rounds of elections were clearly revealing the fact that the polls were true, they were leading to the right conclusion, and the Marine Le Pen's party gathered 33% of total vote, leading the rest of the contenders. However, the second round of elections have made certain surprises to the electorate and the political players as well. Now, the coalition party under the Left Alliance, named by New Popular Front, has led the voters' destinations, and the Marine Le Pen's party gained the votes, which labeled the party to the third slot. So, what went wrong during these days between the first and second rounds? So, here is the intricacy that lies in the French political system. The first round of elections, where the voters voted for their preferred candidates, it only garnered them the meager results, and very few candidates managed to land in the parliament. Hence, the second round of elections gained quite momentum and importance. And during the second round, only those candidates who have managed to get at least 12.5% of total votes, they were eligible to qualify for the second round. This was made in order to ensure the absolute majority or the complete majority for the winning candidates. And during these days, the political stakeholders of the left coalition and the centrist alliance under Macron were collaborated and were successfully adjusting their seats and pulling their candidates from the weaker slots and adjusting the other parties' candidates from their strongholds. So this is why the coalition of left and the centrist alliance have managed to outperform the far-right groups of Marine Le Pen to the third positions. So here today we can safely conclude that it is the French parliamentary electoral politics that have managed to rescue France from the takeover of far-right groups. But the question remains, if the dismal performance of centrist alliances continue to upset the electorate, then how long will this system rescue the far-right groups, will rescue the French political system by taking over by the far-right groups? Thank you so much for listening to me.